Understanding the resultant and the component forces. So this question is asking, um, so this 150-pound resultant force is coming from this 100-pound force and another unknown force, and calculate the unknown force. And it also says apply the equilibrium theory. So if three forces make a triangle, they will balance each other out. So to apply the equilibrium theorem, simply you make a triangle like this, a line. So one force there, and this is the unknown force, and this 100 force, and then that will result this 150 pounds. And then it says calculate that unknown force F. Simply, if you can apply the cosine law, which is F is square is equal to this 100 is square plus 150 square minus 2 times 100 times 150 times the cosine of the angle between this 100 and 150. So once you form the triangle, you really don't have to think about which one is the resultant of what. You just have to write equation in a way so that you can solve the unknowns, which is simply the, if you try to find one side of this triangle, you just square the other two sides, add the minus 2 times their sides and the cosine of angle of that other two forces, which is 100 and 150. If you do the calculation, I found that 242 pound. Now force is not just the amount, it also the direction too. So you do have to find the direction as well. Assume this theta. So we can simply now apply so this is the cosine law. Now we can apply sine law to find out the angle. Simply the 150 divided by the sine of other two angles. So this is the 150. When you think about this force, then you take the sine of the other two angles, so other two forces, which is the F and the 100. Sine theta is equal to, we know the 100 pound force. We already calculated this 242, so we know that, so we can use that. 242 pounds divided by the sine of 150 degree. This angle is 150 degrees, so 180 minus 30 degree. So now if you solve for theta, I found that 18 degree.